Hello, crafty folks. So it is the 7th of January, 2022. I'm doing a little journal entry this morning. This is a photo that I took when I was in Florida, and I've never done a scene like this with this technique of ocean. So I'm not quite sure that I like how the outlining is going on the ocean area. But I wanted to show you guys one thing. So this is another tutorial for Procreate for super beginners. So you can make perfectly straight lines by creating a line, and then you just hold it at the end there and it snaps straight, and then you can move it wherever you want it. And this also works for circles. So I'm gonna do a double finger tap on the screen and it takes it back, and then there we go, now it's gone. So you can also do it with circles. Let me set you guys here. Let me see if this works for you guys to see it. So you do a circle and then you hold it there. It's an ellipse now, and if I put another finger on the screen, which I can't do because I've got my hand busy holding the camera for you guys. But if I tap a finger on the screen while I've got my pen still on the screen, then it'll snap to a perfect circle. So those are a couple of tips in Procreate to have perfect shapes, which are really nice. So I'm just gonna do some more outlining on this one. I don't think necessarily that it's gonna turn out exactly how I want it to, but I'm just gonna roll with it and we'll see what happens. The journal entries that I do every day are more like a learning process rather than like wanting a perfect finished piece process. So you know, even if I start something and I'm like, oh, I don't like that or whatever, I'm just gonna keep going and see what happens. Anyway, so let me know if you want to see something specific on Procreate, and otherwise I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye.